everyone, so I want to show you how to make a loaf of bread using curry and rice. Last time when I made a basic loaf of bread using a bread machine, I received some requests for a bread using cooked rice. So I'm going to add cooked rice into my bread machine. So I hope you like this tutorial and I hope you enjoy it.
Here are the ingredients. Bring a pot of water to a boil. Add diced carrots. Add diced potatoes. Cook them al dente and drain well. So this is my bread machine and now you know that it doesn't talk. Open and remove the bread pan. You must set the kneading blade. And of course make sure that everything is clean before you use. Now start from adding the bread flour. You want to pile up the ingredients in the middle of the pan. Then pour in the water around the pile. Wipe the outside of the pan to remove any flour or liquid. Then put the bread pan into the bread machine and close the lid. Then open the upper lid. You will find dry yeast dispenser. Wipe if it's wet but avoid generating the static electricity. Now add the dry yeast. Then close the lid. Choose the Gohan baking option. Choose the raisin mode with a note. This means it beeps when you have to add the extra ingredients. Now start the machine. The machine beeps after about an hour. Open and add the extra ingredients. Add the cooked potatoes and carrots. Sliced bacon strips. The machine starts after 3 minutes, so you have to do this really quickly. Okay, when it's done, stop the bread machine and remove the bread pan immediately. Then leave to cool on kitchen cloth for 2 minutes. Remove the bread from the bread pan. Allow to cool on a wire rack. Then remove the blade if the blade got stuck. Slice the bread. I'm cutting in this direction to cut off the hole at the bottom. So now it's done! Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial.
Itadakimasu.